Welcome to another episode from Pacific Arc TIG Welding. My name's Dusty. Real quick episode today. This is gonna be more of a public service announcement, just a little commentary on what's going on with my life in the TIG welding world these days. So as you can imagine, I'm a little more present on social media than I was before. If you don't follow me already, hit me up on social media. That's my Instagram handle right there. Follow me. I post all kinds of silly stuff. I post welding stuff. I just try and keep it light and keep it fun. That's the mission of my channel. But I wanted to pop on here to address something. Lately, I've been getting a little more negative comments in my feed, more so on YouTube than I do on Instagram. I don't tend to read my comments a lot anymore. I tend to keep up with them on Instagram a little more than YouTube. It's just because I don't have a ton of time anymore and I would rather be working on art pieces than dinking around on my phone. But I will say that Instagram is one of the better platforms that I enjoy spending time on. I love talking to people on there. I love all the comments that everybody leaves. I really appreciate it. So to get a negative comment on Instagram is kind of funny to me. I don't even really remember what the post was, but the comment was something to the tune of basically, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not good at welding. I shouldn't be teaching. The way I'm doing something in this photo is wrong and I should do it this way because this is the way to do it, and that's that. So, you wanna know what I did? Instead of replying to this comment, I actually thought about what this person was talking about. They were talking about a specific way that they like grinding their tungsten. The way that I do it is stupid and it's wrong. And I thought, I've never actually tried it that way. So, instead of getting all hyped up and mad about a comment on social media, I came in here. I ground my tungsten the specific way that this person recommended that I grind it. I put it in my torch. I set everything else up the way that probably was recommended also by this kind person. And I busted out some scrap. I started goofing around for about a half hour in here. I put some music on. It was a lot of fun. And guess what? I didn't like the way it was turning out. One thing I want to say out there, the only reason that I have gotten to a point in TIG welding where I am nowadays is because of trying things I see and I hear out there. So even though this may have been presented in a bit of a dickheadish way, I still went out and gave it a try because quite simply, I had never tried it before. What if it was something that actually would improve my game? I wanna be the best welder I can. I wanna improve every day. Every time I work on a new project, I wanna get better. So why would I just blow off someone's suggestion if I'd never tried it before? For the record, after I tried it, it did not weld nicely. It was not applicable to what I was trying specifically, but I am pretty stoked on the fact that I avoided my initial reaction to react to this and actually used it as an opportunity to try and improve. Anybody out there who values what I do on this channel, if you roll with me, if you have been an ArcHead since I started this channel, you roll with me on this philosophy. And that is, we are out here to get as good as possible, learn as much as possible, and have as much fun as possible. If you see something that pisses you off, look for something that you can take from it. If there's nothing from you to take from it, move on. That's what I'm really trying to do with my channel nowadays. I would rather spend time jumping in the comments section to respond to the people who are nice and who actually watch my channel every week. I don't respond to negative comments. The amount of time I could spend replying to someone's negative comment is probably the time I could spend replying to 10 other nice comments from people that I would actually value getting a response. So, kind of a long-winded way of saying I want to spread the message of being positive and having fun with TIG welding. TIG welding is too much fun. There's too much stuff to learn. There's too many applications for it. And I really, really like helping people. Let's all move past negative stuff. I say it in every episode. If you have an opportunity to do a random act of kindness in the run of your day in any way possible, I say it every episode now, do it. And I really appreciate hearing from people that like this philosophy. And I actually like hearing from some people who told me about some nice stuff they did for a stranger. I really, really value that. So to anybody out there that's watching who appreciates what I'm doing on this channel, thank you so much. There is so much more on this channel to come. I'm gonna be bringing all kinds of crazy art projects. I'm gonna be helping people out with all kinds of TIG welding questions and demos and how-tos, all kinds of stuff. I'm really excited for what's to come on this channel. I hope you're doing well out there. We'll talk soon. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.